Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to find divisors of a number in Java. So take a look to this program. I'm going to run this program. It will ask you for a number. You just need to give a number, and after that it will give you the numbers on which the 50 can be divided. For example, 1 to 5 and so on. I'm going to give another number, for example 30, and it will give us the numbers on which 30 can be divided. So guys, let's program it practically. I'm going to close this and I will take another new fresh class, for example Java class, and then I will call it like test4 and finish. Here I have my test4 class. I will just have my main function, public static void main string args. Now I will need a function like find divisors, and I will pass n to this function. Right now, what is n? N can be like, we can take it from scanner input is equal to new scanner and system dot n. That's all. So it can come from the scanner. So I import my scanner class, and after that I can have like system dot out dot println, and then I can enter a number. I can call it like, and I can say like, for example, int n is equal to input dot next int. So that's all, and then I passed this into find divisor. Okay, I need to define this function here right above. So I'm going to call it public static void, and after that I can call it find divisor, and like for example I can pass it the number, and then I will need for loop int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, and the same way like I plus plus. And after that I will need what? I will need an if statement here. I will say like if remainder 2 is equal to 0, then this means like this number is dividable, right? Like if n remainder 2 not 2, I'm sorry, here we can pass it I because we are checking from 1. So if n remainder I is equal to 0, this means like this number is divisible. So after that, what I need to do, I will have here like divisors plus equal to what? Like for example I plus, I will have it like comma, something like this one. Now what is this divisor? This can be a string for me, like I will call it static string, for example divisors, and is equal to something like empty. That's all. And after that I want this function to return this divisor. Okay, so I can come here and I can call it like in a state of what, void. I just put the key like return the data type string. Now I would like to return the divisors, and that's all guys. It's just finished guys. Now let me run this program, but before running I want to whenever like this function return as a string, I want to print it on screen. So for that I will use system.out.println, and after that I need to have a message like divisors are equal to plus something like this. I just want to have it, and that's all guys. So I'm going to run my program. Take a look. Integer number, for example 50. So these are the divisors of 50. I will play again. Like for example I can have 8. So 8 can be divided only by 1, 2 and 4. I can have another number 15. 15 can be divided only by 1, 3 and 5. So guys, this was all about how to find the divisor of a number. So try to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed before, and comment as your problems. We will definitely reach to your problems. Thank you very much.